Welcome to another video, SolidWorks tips and tricks regarding show and hide components within an assembly. This will be the case study, a gearbox. And as you can see over here, some of the components are currently hidden. If I will select the transparent window gearbox component over here within the product tree, that will also be visible over here with a blue gradient within the viewport. So I can right click and I click over here on show component, that will make it visible. If I want to hide a component, let's say that I want to hide this one, I can select over here and I can go to hide component either directly over here or over here. So it will be the same. Now, if I want to make that visible again, I can select it and I will obtain over here a gradient fill for that component with blue. I can right click and I can go over here on show. Now, it's not that fast if you want to select and click, and there's a faster solution, and that will use the Tab key and the Shift key. So I can just move the mouse over a component, I can press Tab, and that will hide it. If I want to hide this one as well, I'm just gonna press Tab on top of that. If I want to unhide something and I know within the viewport where that was located, I can just move the mouse on top of that, hold down Shift, press Tab, and that will unhide those components. So this is the faster solution when you want to hide components. Let's say that I want to hide this upper casing. I can just move the mouse on top of that, press Tab on the keyboard, over here as well. So I can just move the mouse around like this and I can hide the components. Now, if you want to hide a lot of components, you can just hold down the Shift key and you can move the mouse, and that will do the following. So as you can see, I'm slowly moving the mouse onto the components and those will be hidden. If you want to unhide those, you're just going to hold down Shift and Tab and you're going to move that mouse where those components were located and they will be again shown. So keep in mind that in some cases, some of the elements will remain selected. Those will be highlighted with blue. So you will have to select those like this. In order to go back to the normal visualization, this is one of the visual elements that will show you that those are the components that have been shown and hidden. As you can see over here, 3 of those socket head cap are with blue. Some of them have already been deselected, so I can go ahead and I can select all of those. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. It's really easy to manage your scene like this. If you're gonna use the Tab hotkey in order to hide components, you're gonna see over here that in the middle, some of those will again be blue because I didn't reselect those after I have hidden them. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this kind of content. I'm gonna position a similar video over here on the left side, and I will also add a subscribe button to the right. So that's it. Thanks for watching.